Let's get these herbs in the ground. And you know what they say, location is everything, and it's true for herbs too. These guys need sunlight, at least 6 hours of sun. Now, there are a few herbs that will tolerate some shade. Chives, oregano, parsley, cilantro, thyme, tarragon, mint, lemon balm. They'll do okay in shade, even though they still would prefer sun. To illustrate, have a look at this thyme coming back after the winter. So it's small, but it's going to come in beautifully. It's just going to take a lot longer on the east side of the house where there is a little bit of shade compared to the south side of the house where this thyme is going to thrive and is already looking beautiful. That's the difference of location. Luckily, herbs do well in containers and pots as well. The only thing is, make sure that you're using pots with good drainage holes. And if you're using ceramic pots like this that don't have drainage hole, put them in a container that does. Herbs do not like wet feet. Use regular everyday potting soil or potting mix, add a little compost, and your herbs will be happy.